hivi.
Jatend jotije mag piny owacho Felix Kosgeyi okwayo jotelo duto matiyo ne piny owacho mondo ne otieko chutho chenro mag dongruok mane ochan ne higani kapok jong'ado nyaka higa ma 2026. Kosgeyi noloso boma mag Kisumu kinde nyasi mane okelo kanyakla jotelo mopogore opogore moko ni nyaka koro jatelo kaw ting'ne kendo keti e lela kaka otiyo kod singo mochopo ne jopiny ma ok omien jatend piny kod tije duto. Bende okwayogi mondo mi giti kod omenda mag dongruok moseketi e lwetgi e yo makare ma ok omien gi kod mibadhi moro amora.
2026 cannot be a year of launching new initiatives. Instead, it must be a year of completion, consolidation, and laser-focused execution. We must finalize the commitments we made in 2022 and deliver them with clarity, discipline, and transparency. 2026 must be the year we close every gap. We expect every institution to develop an honest and accurate scorecard. We are all aware that our fiscal space remains tight, and this reality must guide every decision we make in the public service. The demands of government continue to grow even as resources remain constrained, requiring us to demonstrate greater discipline, sharper prioritization, and unwavering value for money principles. We must ensure that every shilling spent delivers measurable impact. This calls for eliminating wastage, curbing non-essential expenditure, strengthening cost controls, and directing our limited resources toward programs that directly improve service delivery and the lives of Kenyans. In a constrained fiscal environment, efficiency is not merely desirable, it is obligatory.